What if I told you there's a university in Malaysia where beautiful campus life awaits you? From study to sports to food,
麻辣香锅.
we have Xiamen University for you. Let's go on a quick tour with AUG.
Hi.
So I hit the streets for some random
Hello.
interviews. Guess what?
Hi.
Two awesome students here, Kayla and Miu, offered to give us a tour of their university.
Let's go.
First stop, Brainy Hub, the library. Not just about the books, it's a study haven with lots of spacious area and seats to pick your favorite spot. And also a coffee machine, whether a quiet spot for your own study or with friends. Next, they take us to their favorite spot, a cafe by the lake.
This is quite unique.
The vibe is perfect for sipping coffee while enjoying this Instagrammable view and hanging out with friends. Oh, and the aircon here is very cold. Awesome. Moving on, Xiamen University has a massive soccer field. Whether you're a football pro or track and field kind of athlete, it's a party for sports lovers.
My favorite sport, soccer.
Not into these sports? No worries. Their gym is a fitness wonderland. Top-notch equipment for your gains. Remember, don't skip a leg day. Did I mention a swimming pool? Whether you're flexing muscles or making a splash, dive into this pool for some water exercise. Alright, I know if sports aren't your thing, fret not, because no one can reject food. The food choices at Xiamen Universities are plenty. Dumplings, dim sum, and my favorite,
麻辣香锅.
all can be found within the campus. And there you have it, Xiamen University in a quick glance. A place to live your best university life ahead. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we can't wait to meet you in person and tell you all about it.